Hi, so let's do a quick analysis and this is going to be a short video. यहाँ पे हम ये देखेंगे कि कौन सी कंपनीज आज बहुत अच्छी चली और जो भी मैंने पहले एनालिसिस किया था वो द वीकेंड उसके दो पार्ट वीडियो हैं दैट यू विल फाइंड इन द अपर राइट हैंड कॉर्नर या यहाँ पे आई बटन क्लिक करने से भी आपको मिल जाएगी. सो going forward, of course, all the chemical companies आज बहुत अच्छी चल रही थी and we also created some positions. All of them made all-time high. SRF जैसे हमने कल डिस्कस किए थे कि this is a typical bearish structure अगर 11,000 levels के नीचे closing आई, and I also said that it has to make a new all-time high very soon in order to make it a bullish, and that's exactly what it did. Other than that, ATH Industry and Deepak Nitrite, both of them gave all-time high closing. A good closing, a strong closing at the day's high closing. So definitely these two are perfect good candidates. ये 950 का एक बॉक्स था, इसको ब्रेक किया, and इसके लिए 2500 का एक बॉक्स था जो वो ब्रेक किया, and so basically these are few of the companies that I would be interested in. Towards the last half hour, IRCTC started breaking 4,000 levels. हमने वहाँ पे ट्रेड लिया और ये 4050 4059 तक गई and 4059 पे क्लोज हुई, 4064 levels तक गई. So basically this is also another one good company. Godrej Properties भी आज all time high बनाई. So हमारी strategy वही है कि we would be concentrating on few of this Astral also. We were talking about Astral since last two sessions. हमने इसको BTST के तौर पे भी लिया था, and now here you can see today it went towards 2400 plus from 2200 और इसमें अभी भी बहुत strength बाकी है. So definitely this is also one of the stocks which is in our radar. So for tomorrow, abhi starting mein of course we have a very good few candidates just like Deepak Nitrite, SRF, ATH. Together with that, if you are in PSUs, the National LM was able to close above 100. ये हमने track किया था, but we don't trade breakouts in PSUs. So this was also something, and also Divi's Lab also it went towards 5300, made a new all-time high and it closed at 5200 levels. हमने हमारा यहाँ पे कुछ positions बनाए हैं. Let's see if it is again able to break 5300 levels tomorrow. We would be adding more. ये आज all-time high बनाई थी. So definitely we are going to follow all the stocks which are in the all-time high. PEL also मैंने सुबह ट्वीट किया था और ये हमने कल डिस्कस किया था. 2700 लेवल्स पे हमने अपना पोजीशंस बनाए and from there it went towards 2840 levels. So but again it was unable to close above 2800, which is not good, but one of these days I think ये फिर 2700 लेवल्स पे की तरफ आके सपोर्ट लेने की कोशिश करेगी. So this is good. Also NTPC is another PSU which is looking really good, and it seems like a nice consolidation is happening and it's at 52-week high. So this is also one of the good candidates. We wouldn't be trading Navin Fluorine. Definitely he also closed a day's high because we are more interested in all-time high breakouts for now, just like in SRF and Deepak Nitrite. And so also we had a good trade in move in Tata Chem and Siemens also. It was able to give a closing above 2200, so this is also actually looking good. PVR also made an all-time high today. So this is also a nicely consolidation के बाद यहाँ पे एक अच्छी move आई थी, and I think this is going to move forward. And also Tata Power, you can see it went towards the levels of 170 just in 3-4 sessions. ये 140 से 170 चली गई, which is nearly 30% move. So these are momentum stocks and these are the stocks जिसमें आपको focus रखनी चाहिए. For us, we are just waiting for it to see, Tata Power is not at all-time high. अगर ये all-time high होती then definitely it would have been a much more interest to us. Right now the strategy is buy all-time highs and then you would not be repenting, and this is exactly what also happened with Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab, we were talking yesterday about closing about 5000. Aaj subah within a few minutes it was it just broke 5000 and it was sustaining, and so it gave us a good move, and so it went again towards the all-time high. So we have to be so right now I am concentrating more on all-time highs. and this is what my strategy would be. Also, Bajaj Finance was able to give us a good move and towards this 7750 levels. It closed at 7700 levels, so no matter what, I already have created positions, as I mentioned few sessions ago, at this 7460 levels over here, and I'm still carrying them. Of course, my strategy is to take it for a new all-time high, or at least towards the levels of 8000 for now. So let's see. Other than that, most of the structures are not that appealing. Of course, any one of them can move. Escorts also, हमने 1420 के बारे में बात किया था, जो ये कल बनाई थी, and today again it went towards 15,000 where we booked some of our profits. 15,000 ये बार बार जाके resistance face कर रही थी. Today in the morning I tweeted when it made 15,000 for the first time, and then again it closed at near about 15,000. Going forward, हमारा target is breaking up of this all-time high, which is at 1570 levels. Other than that, of course, State Bank of India भी बहुत अच्छी एक closing दी है, and that would definitely be in our radar. Now India also, we talked about how 9450 is achievable, and that's exactly what happened. This was also what we discussed in the last weekend. वो वीडियो आपको right hand corner में मिल जाएगी. So going forward, I think NAM India, and this is also what I tweeted during market hours, that it is also one of the BTST calls which I am carrying. Reliance also made a new all-time high, and this is perfectly fine. It was able to hold the levels of 2500 in the last day, and so from there it made a new 52-week high. For the short term, of course, हमारा target 2600 है, and maybe that should be achievable in a very short time. Let's see what comes out of it. Other than that, there is not much of a trading opportunity. Voltas is also one of the candidates जो बहुत दिनों से एक narrow range में consolidate कर रही है, so we would be keeping a track on it. LT कल हमने discuss किया था how 1700 levels is going to act like a support because it's more in a box, and this is exactly what happened. So maybe this can be traded as a reversal candidate, and maybe again you can try for 1800 all-time high levels. Cholafin also ये 550 के नीचे गई थी on this particular day, and then on the next day it was able to go towards 580. Right now is trying to get some support. Let's see अगर ये 600 levels को breach कर पाती है. We have traded Cholafin multiple times. We have created a lot of positions, and we are also booked our profits, and again there are some positions which I have created which I am still carrying, and I think one of these days I would be able to make some good profit. Asian Paint is trying to get some support at 3200 levels over here, but this is something I am not going to trade Asian Paints for now. Other than that, the IT actually also looks good. There are a few IT counters which I've already talked about extensively over the weekend. वो वीडियो में आप देख लेना कौन कौन सी कंपनी में मेरी क्या ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रेटजी है. Nothing has changed for today, so we are not going to discuss it over here. Power Grid also very nice consolidation is happening, is able to hold the levels of 190. This is good. Kotak Bank also very nice consolidation at 2000 levels, so basically one of these days it should be shooting towards 2200. So this is also something which we have in our radar. LTI is also one of the companies जिसका हम लोग 6000 के ऊपर closing के लिए wait कर रहे हैं, and then we would be adding more. We have already bought on this particular dips, and so we are just waiting for closing above 6000, and then we will be adding more. LTTS also nice consolidation is happening. Hopefully 4500 levels won't be breached, and going forward we are targeting the levels of 5000. Titan is good. Titan is definitely at all-time highs, and very nice consolidation is happening, and so definitely this is also looking really good. So in general the market looks good, and there are a lot of trading opportunities and a lot of opportunities which the market is throwing at you. For me, the strategy is pretty simple. I'm more interested in all-time highs and making positions in all-time highs rather than going for 52-week highs. So first I will go for all-time highs, and the second I will go for 52-week highs in non-PSU. in general I won't be making positions in PSUs until and unless I really run out of stock options. But the market is pretty interesting, and there are a lot of just like Canfin Home is something which I tweeted in the morning today. It was fine, it was going good, and it was able to take out the levels of 670ish. I think it opened at 670, and then 680 was easily breached. From there it went to 720. It gave a closing of 700. ये भी हमने बहुत extensively discussed किया था on the weekend. So there are a lot of options over there. So for me, definitely I would be buying in dips in. See, there are a lot of things. First of all is you find a momentum, and then you create more positions, and you add more and more as the momentum matures. This is what we have done today, say for companies like Deepak Nitrite and Aarti and SRF, say for example, right? Godrej Property also, we have positions created in this consolidation phase, and we are just trying to book out our profits. If it moves past our target, just like it happened in Astral mera target 2300 tha, and when this got actually when this was achieved, because I was carrying from 2050 levels, 2060, 2080 levels. So of course at 2300 I booked my profits. लेकिन वो जब 2300 को तोड़ के फिर भागने लगी, तो फिर मैंने और ज़्यादा ऐड किया, and we played the momentum where it went towards the levels of 2420. ये 2400 तक बहुत देर तक थी, and we were just waiting for more up move to come. And this is how you can actually trade. And also similarly for IRCTC हमने positions बनाई थी. We were talking about very nice consolidation is happening, and yesterday कल ही हमने बोला कि given the news of the bonus and the split which is going to come very soon, so maybe we can expect some good move, and that's exactly what came today. So all the positions जो हमने यहाँ पे बनाई थी, we were able to book out at 4000. और फिर जब वो 4013 को भी breach की, then we kept on adding more positions on an intraday, and we started booking as well as 4050 levels के ऊपर वो trade करनी start की. And of course we also are carrying some BTST trades. So that's all folks. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to give you some idea about all the companies which are right now looking very lucrative. You should just do good value buying. Together with that, also try to buy in dips in all-time high companies. Just last 15 days sessions में, last 2 weeks में जो all-time high बनाई है, उसमें positions बनाई है, और hopefully one of these days you will be getting a good return and follow-up moves. Thanks a lot for listening.